Hi guys, it's Edward here again with part 2 of our Fur-tastic Creations series. In the last video, we learned how to draw realistic dog fur with watercolor brush markers. For today, we'll now go over cat fur. So grab your adorable furry friends and let's get to replicating their cuteness on paper. Here are the materials you'll need to do this project. With your supplies ready, let's get to sketching. First, find a reference image that's easy to replicate. Consider factors like pose, lighting, and colors. Use a monochrome shading pencil 2H to sketch the cat, focusing on its pose and shape. Pay attention to lighting and shadows. Add as much detail as possible to your sketch, as it will guide your painting. Once done, you're ready to paint. Use the evening gray watercolor brush marker to paint the cat's outline. As mentioned in our previous video, employ the hatching technique for creating the fur. Hatching lines are closely drawn parallel lines. Add details by painting in the eyes, nose, mouth, and stripes on the face and body. Follow the fur direction from your reference. Remember to leave white areas for highlights, dark and shadowed parts, and use cross-hatching for darker shades. Cross-hatching is drawing intersecting sets of parallel lines. Moving on to the gray shade of our cat, dilute the evening gray watercolor brush marker in a water-filled, medium-sized watercolor brush for gray shading. Avoid smudging your hatching lines. Use the white must-have gel pen to add prominent white hairs, like those in the eyes and whiskers. And finally, as a finishing touch, complete your artwork with a fine liner pen and emphasize the dark areas, such as pupils, nostrils, mouth, and the darkest parts of the fur. And we're done! Just follow these steps and practice, and you'll be on your way to creating realistic, fur-tastic pet portraits. What kind of animal would you like us to do a fur tutorial on next? Comment down below!